Medical malpractice is, the bottom line analysis is doctors are held to certain standards, as we all are. The standard is basically, did the doctor act in a way that a reasonably careful doctor, similarly trained, would have acted under the same or similar circumstances. That's kind of the legal standard. But it's basically no different than when you drive a car, there are certain standards that you're required to follow. The biggest difference is when you sue a doctor or you sue a hospital for nursing malpractice, you have to call in an expert witness, a doctor, to say that this particular doctor violated these standards of practice, that he or she didn't act as a reasonably careful doctor would have. In medical malpractice cases, you get the records. If there are films involved, you get the films, and you pour through all of the information and you try to look at the outline of events and see what decisions, what choices were and were not made. Were there signs and symptoms? Was there evidence on a film that was missed? So going through all of the information, and then once it's put together, having an expert, a doctor who's similarly trained, looked at the information to tell you whether or not they believe that this doctor was negligent, that they weren't reasonably careful. That's the basics of the process.